Howdy, howdy, Blitzcrank back with another episode of the Swapper, and Ruby is drinking Cactus Cooler.
Yay!
I don't know what's yay about you chugging in the beginning of the video, but alright.
I need it.
Not denying that, it's how you stay awake at this point.
That doesn't look right. That legit doesn't look right.
It looks angry. Oh, there's blue light up here. That's why I can't do the thing. Okay. Oh, actually, this one seems relatively easy. I think I got this already.
Oh, hey, your person's still alive.
One of them, yeah. Yeah! See, Ruby, I got this one.
Yay!
I think. Yep, got it. One try. Was all I needed was one try. At least for this one. Not gonna pretend the rest will be so easy. They might be. These are earlier levels. But again, not gonna pretend. Interesting. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Are you looking at the wrong person?
No, I tried to jump where there was no jumping available. There was a thing in my way.
Well, that didn't work.
Oh no, it should work fine. Look. Oops. That didn't work. Ooh. There we go. It's this thing again, this whole repeating loop.
Oh, okay.
Dang it! I almost had it. I jumped the gun slightly. Haha, jump the gun. This gun is made for swapping, not jumping.
I hope you're proud of yourself.
No, I'm starting to get to that tired point, so no, my jokes are not on par. They are not golf jokes. And if you didn't get that one, you don't play many sports. Got it.
Yay!
Last one, I think. Unsure. There we go. Okay, how?
What do you mean?
I thought I had this. Emphasis on the word thought. Okay. So what do you think, Ruby? I feel like I'm missing something. Besides the whole that. Wait. Okay. Okay, I think I got this one. No, not you. Wrong button. Okay, Ruby, I got it. I got it. Eh? Eh? Got it.
Hey.
I think that's all of them, actually.
Do you have all the orbs you need?
I think I have all the orbs in the game. Jeez!
Goodness.
Still freaky. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where our adventure very well most likely concludes, because... because? Nope, it was this one. And then it was this way. And then it was this way. And then it was this way. And then it was this way.
Mm-hmm.
This is it. This is where we get all the answers, hopefully.
Or no answers at all.
Don't do that to me, Ruby!
I'm sorry.
Theseus landing sequence activated.
Wait, what if the planet is one giant watcher?
Landing compromised. Landing compromised.
Uh-oh. I have no control! Hi? Yeah, just called us on vacation. They're finally back now.
Oh my gosh.
Was I right? Was my joke? Like, is this one giant watcher? They're repeating what they were said earlier. I almost feel like that was a hand for a second.
This is Rescue Charter 509 Alpha responding to SOS request. Stand by for risk analysis.
What's up?
Subject checks out okay, but readings are off the scale. Recommend full quarantine protocols during extraction. Over.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
We're gonna get you home.
Okay.
Ship to ground. We don't have that facility on board, and we're not confident we can safely extract without it. Over. What are your orders? Over.
You're not gonna leave me here, are you?
Take every precaution and return to ship. Out. I'm sorry.
Well, I can't just take his life over. That wouldn't be okay. And besides, he has, like, a full brain going on. I can't just, like, inhabit a brain that's already got a brain, can I? That didn't make any sense whatsoever, but I'm working with it for now. Huh? I'm waiting for the squish.
They're not coming back, are they?
Probably not. And even if they could, it wouldn't be in time to save me from starving or dehydrating or anything like that. Right. Wait, what? Continue? Oh, I was wondering if I could see the other ending.
That's it?
Yeah, and you were right, unfortunately. No answers whatsoever. Anyway, enjoy this gorgeous music for just a little bit longer. That was the end of the Swapper. Tell me if you would have chosen to swap or if you would have stayed, because let's face it, in my opinion, I am under the firm belief that you are stuck with the choices you make, and I crashed a satellite, so, you know, kind of my decision to be stuck on that planet. That person was just doing his job as a rescue op. You can't take that away. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed the series, The Swapper. I'll be moving on to something else next week. And until next time, this is Blitzcrank.
And Ruby.
Later all!
Bye-bye.
Pull my heart out of my chest.